Here are the things music school will not teach you about taxes. Number one, most of your gigs as a freelance musician, you're going to be paid as an independent contractor. So with a traditional job, the employer will withhold taxes from each of your paychecks and send it to the IRS on your behalf. But when you're an independent contractor, you're responsible for calculating how much tax you'll owe and withholding that so you can pay your giant tax bill the next year. Also, you might have to make estimated quarterly tax payments depending on your income. Number two, expenses. Now, the advantage of being an independent contractor is that the IRS allows you to reduce your taxable income by keeping track of expenses that are necessary for your job. This could be things like insurance for your gear, or parking for your gig, or strings, or drumsticks, or a music stand, or even paying other musicians if you're the band leader. Here's a hypothetical example of what that looks like as a band leader. So let's say I book my video game music band Arcadia. The venue pays me $1,000. I then pay my band members $200 each, which is an expense because I needed them to play the gig. That leaves me with $200 in income, so I'm not paying tax on the $1,000 that the venue paid me. I'll pay tax on the $200 that's left. That brings me to number three, which is you have to keep very clear records of your expenses. I use a software called QuickBooks. I basically connect my business bank account to it, and all of my transactions are imported, and I can categorize them and keep it organized. Lastly, I made a full vlog on YouTube where I go into more depth about all of this, and I use examples, so please go check that out because I can't possibly explain all of the nuances of taxes in a short vertical video.